Please tell me, this is the brushless remote control car. See, I got it off the camera app. Let me tell you something. I got it for about $5. I paid for this one. And this thing right now is like, better than, from hobby stores that I went to. They have cars in there. They have cars in there for like $300 that are going just as fast as this. So I'm gonna just show you how this car just really moves. It really moves. It has 3 speeds on it. One is low, one medium, one high. It has full shock system. The bottom has the whole shock, everything. Just stop you from breaking this thing. It's really solid, man. It's really a good make, man. They did a really good job with this little thing. And for beginners, this is something that you would want if you're a beginner and you want to just have fun. Go back to your younger age and enjoy having fun. So bear with me. I actually been through a lot in my life. Me and my wife got 4 years ago. I ended up way too long. I broke my back here. I broke my jaw here. I was, we went through a lot. My wife was all types of stuff. Broken. My whole right side nerve damage. Got a pacemaker. But I'm still here. I'm grateful. And I can't answer anything else, This is why I'm just living my life. I'm just trying to enjoy real simple things right now, because you never know, man. Something so fun. And the time is really freaking, touch you. Especially for your loved ones and, people who, and, I just want you guys to get to know me, who I am and what I'm about. I'm going to start a few YouTube videos, and I just need some help with some following, and I'm going to come up with better content, ways to help. You don't feel like, I just put a help in the channel, and my wife put a help in the channel, but that's the reason we're all going out, and enjoy everything. But I want you guys to take this, this little road with me, and I just want you guys, to see. I let them what I was, because I'm not now, and I hope you guys will, really look deeper and really not judge, or people who judge, because I've been judged, and I'm not ashamed of it, because when you're a man, please just subscribe, share the video, with everybody. I'm just trying to make something happen. I'm an awesome artist. I'm a licensed tattoo artist, so, I'm trying to get into something else with my artwork and everything else. I got a few things, it's going to be really good. So I just hope you guys please enjoy and, subscribe. Watch. I'm just gonna give you that short version real quick. Yeah, I know, I'm going nuts right now. I'm trying to get this stuff to stay. Still really big problem. Okay. Lights on. Lights, camera, action. I'm gonna put it on low. So that was rough. Alright? I'm gonna give you medium. Oh my god, that was medium. Alright, so I haven't put the wheelie bar on yet, so I'm putting it on high, but I'm not gonna go fully loaded because this thing will, just fly in feelers. Like you can see already. This thing was $65 on demo. So See how it gets lit? Okay. Oh, God. Tearing him up. Alright. They made the bottom really good so that it could withstand the hits, the jumps. If you want to, this thing will fly over a ramp and then just, nothing would happen to it. It's made, very well. Climb that. Whoa! Oh, God! Whoa! Alright, so, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be coming back to you with another good one. I'm sorry. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. Subscribe.